Hello, architect students and parents. This is kind of our open house for how we're going to be doing this for the next couple of weeks. I want to give you kind of a overview. This is kind of how I'm going to be teaching, I guess, through this Screencastify every other day for the rest of the semester. In architecture, what I hope to do is download the CAD program we've been using in some form or fashion, depending on which device they had. That'll be this week's assignment. I want to complete the house plan that we've been working on. I also want to draw a three-dimensional cottage or cabin as our last little project. And there will also be some blog entries that we'll need to finish up as well. Advanced students, you are going to keep working on your projects that you were working on. If you're able to get those, I'll be able to email them to you if they're on your computers here. Or we can start a new project and you'll just email them back and forth and we can keep working on those from a distance. And so that's kind of our basic plan for the semester. Again, I understand there's a lot of issues, a lot of things on the home front that I'm not aware of, might not be aware of. And so if there are things that you need to communicate with me, please do that via email. And we can get around a lot of this stuff, some form or fashion throughout this odd semester. This is all pretty new to me and you. And so I think we can, we're probably going to screw it up a lot and have a lot of issues, but I think we can get through it. I'm going to be making YouTube videos. Most of the stuff you'll be able to find on my YouTube channel. It's up here. You find it through my school email address, and I'll also send you guys links in the email. But I've put some videos up from the last couple of weeks of enrichment. I got a video up today on how to download the CAD program for free. And so that'll be the assignment for this coming week, is to get that downloaded. I'm also going to use Google Docs, Google Forms, sorry. Yeah, and I'll make some forms and you'll fill those out, and that's kind of how we're going to keep credit for this part of the semester. And so I'll be sending these out and keeping you accountable and keeping track of where everybody's at through Google Forms. And so that's kind of the gist of what we're going to try to do this semester. I'd love to finish up the projects and wrap this up. And it's kind of a bummer that I'm here in my empty classroom and you guys aren't there. I was kind of going through stuff yesterday, trying to get all my grades together and lined up. And I kind of didn't realize how bummed out I was that I didn't get to see y'all. So anyway, again, you got my email. I'm always on my email. You can send an email anytime. I can answer that. That's kind of how this semester is going to go. So I hope if you have any questions, you let me know. All right. We'll catch you guys soon.